Give me the right man. Sabihin mo.
I'll pray.
Oo.
Oh, Father God, thank you for providing me a boyfriend who is now my ex-boyfriend, but my husband now. And she forgot. Guys, she
Nag-i-enjoy ka pa
forgot.
naman mag-ano, ganyan.
She's my mother-in-law.
Ano?
Uwi niya.
Nag-i-enjoy ka pa naman single.
Oh.
Masarap ang single eh. Hindi ka na makakalakwat sa.
Pag may asawa na, you mean to say,
Hindi
your
naman.
son Junjun will not allow me to...
Wala naman siyang girlfriend.
Walang girlfriend si Junjun!
Wala.
Oh my! How old na is Junjun, you think?
Ha?
How old is he now?
Oh?
Junjun, how old is